So how to install Empower Personal Dashboard app. So just tap get and then double click to install. And yeah, you will be able to install this app. You've never seen your money like this before. Reach your goals and take control of your financial life is Empower's free app. Have all your financial accounts in one place, see you through net worth, plan for retirement, track your portfolio, and more. At Empowers, we are more than financial tool. Yes, it's quite a cool app. We are a professional grade tech built to make a personalized experience that fits your needs, and manage all your accounts in one place. Empower Personal Dashboard gives you a complete picture of your finances by bringing everything together. Track your net worth. Use the net worth trackers to get an accurate view of your net worth. Plan for retirement. Budget your expenses. See where your investments stand. We work hard to keep your information safe. Yeah, so that's the app. There are a bunch of other apps. Uh, there is quick demo. You can just tap to join now. You can also tap to sign in and sign in from here. So yeah, that's just what it is here. That's how you can give it a try. So yeah.